Look what I found right now. My turtle. She was trying to get out through that corner and she fell backwards. What's that? Hi, Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn. Really? Really right now? Do you really want to walk outside? Walk around? Let's see. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go. Go. Be free. She's gonna go to my foot. She's gonna go to my foot. Oh, she's going to my foot. Look who else we have here. T-Rex. T-Rex. Are you not gonna... Huh?